Hindi tayo bumiyahe galing Pinas ng 4 na oras para hindi tayo bumaba dito.
This is us halfway down.
Halfway down.
Kilingking point or beach.
Yeah. Those feet, guys. Kailangan nyo ng
Tarik.
maraming dito, leg day.
Oo, kailangan niya ng maraming gatas dito.
And invest sa trekking shoes. Mabakasyon ka, tapos pinapahirapan yung sarili. Hindi, baba namin nakahanap. Galing kami doon.
O yung may crane.
Tapos,
Tapos nasa
papunta
kalahati pa lang
dito.
kami. Kalahati pa lang.
Hindi tayo bumiyahe galing Pinas ng 4 na oras para hindi tayo bumaba dito. This is us before going down.
This is us halfway down.
Halfway down.
Kilingking point or
Yeah,
beach.
yeah.
Tarik bro! Tarik bro! Bro, ang tarik bro!
After almost 1 hour of going down here, it's so proud to freaking say, we did it. Let's go. Maliligo tayo, be. Hindi tayo bumaba dito para umupo. So this is us after conquering. Ano yun?
Kiling?
This is
Kilingking.
us. Ayun. This is us after conquering Kilingking Beach.
Kilingking Beach.
It's all worth it. Balik na kami sa
Bali.
reality. Bali pa rin.
Takuta.
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 Worth it.
See you there.